Today, we celebrate MDG's sustained history of innovation and growth and the incredible impact they've made, not just in our region, but across the globe. Since 2007, this vision has guided a relentless pursuit of science, sustainability, and service, proving that bold ideas can drive real impact.
I joined the MDG in 2008, about 17 years ago. At that time, we have about 5 employees. Fast forward now in 2025, we now have over 110 employees, 4 laboratories, 3 facility and headquarters.
The science, the microbes that are behind all the innovation that are here, that dates back hundreds of years in our states in a lot of the businesses that were created that are now legendary, massive businesses. But the impact that these investments have on our community, it makes it a really great place to live that folks really across the country are envious of.
Looking at this building, where it's come from, this is a 117,000 square foot addition. This is exactly what you want in a thriving community. This is the leadership you want and you need.
This innovative company's mission is simple yet profound. Feed, clean, save the world.
Every innovation, discovery, and expansion, including this facility that we do, we know that this brings us closer to fulfilling our vision. We would like to bring Milwaukee as a hub of microbial fermentation that attracting talent globally and clients globally.